Hindi niya talaga yung pinagsasawaan. Isip ko nga, nasakit ba ang ngipin nito? Di ba sumasakit ang ngipin nila pag ngat-ngat ng ganyan? Nahulog na naman. Ayan. So, for those who wants to know kung bakit kami ay nag-alaga ng aso like Shaq at Mia, we started having dogs during the pandemic. Mia was our first pet, and we decided to breed Mia because we wanted to help my husband manage his anxiety. When we first saw Mia, she was very skinny and didn't look very appealing. She even looked like a rat at first. But despite our doubts, she was so playful that she quickly won our hearts. She used to play bite and sometimes bite us when she was a puppy. I'm talking to her. I'm talking to Mia. But we bonded with her, and she is a sweet little girl, and I know she loves us. Sometimes she is aggressive, but she was just so excited to see other people. No, oh log, get it. Then shock came. We choose him to be with us because he is uh, he's the largest dog among his siblings. We wanted to have stronger dog for protection. But despite of his tough appearance, he is sweet and gentle. And they are more than just pets. They provide us companionship and joy every day. Yan. That's it.